Are you looking for the best circular saw? Then you are welcome our RS Store channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best circular saws that are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Skil 15 amp 7 to a quarter inch circular saw. Getting the hang of a circular saw can be a bit of a challenge, but a circular saw with laser guidance can make the job that much easier. This Skil circular saw features a single beam laser that allows the user to maintain consistent passes on cut lines, taking some of the learning curve out of straight cuts. Besides the laser beam, this circular saw also boasts a 5,300 RPM top speed from its 15 amp motor, offering plenty of power and capability. This saw's base bevels up to 51 degrees, allowing the 7 1/4 inch blade to cut a variety of angles. And, to make this saw a bit safer, there is a safety lock in the handle that the user must depress before squeezing the trigger. Just keep in mind that for its affordable price, Skil had to trade many metal components for plastic. Pros: affordable price point. Onboard laser for guiding cuts. Impressive speed and power. Cons: many plastic components. Number 2. DeWalt 6.5 inch 20V Max Circular Saw. DeWalt was at the forefront of brushless technology and lithium-ion battery technology, and the company's 20V 6.5 inch circular saw is a prime example of what the brand's tools can do. This cordless circular saw uses the same 20V battery that most of the DeWalt lineup now runs on, so those invested in the 20V lineup will have a host of compatible batteries. It also runs at a top speed of 5,150 RPMs, allowing it to keep up with high-end corded models. Despite its power and capability, this saw weighs just over 7 pounds. It features a beveling base that adjusts between 0 and 50 degrees, while the rubber overmolded grip remains comfortable and reduces vibration. Keep in mind that this is a tool-only purchase, the saw doesn't come with a battery or charger. Pros: impressive maximum speed for cordless saw. Uses 20V DeWalt batteries. Lightweight at just 7 pounds. Cons: tool-only purchase, batteries sold separately. Number 3. Makita 5007 Megagrams 7 1/4 inch circular saw. For all-around capability, performance, and features, the Makita 5007 Megagrams 7 1/4 inch circular saw is worth a look. This powerful corded model uses a 15 amp motor and runs at speeds up to 5,800 RPMs, allowing it to tackle anything from construction to cabinet making. It also features magnesium components to lighten the weight, though it does still weigh over 10 pounds. The 5007 Megagrams has plenty of desirable built-in features. It features 2 built-in LED lights as well as a built-in dust blower, allowing users to keep their eyes on the cut line at all times. It also has a large cutting capacity, giving the 7 1/4 inch blade a 2.5 inch cutting depth. This circular saw's beveling base has positive stops at 22.5 and 45 degrees. The kit comes with a heavy-duty carrying case as well, protecting the investment during transport and storage. It comes with a 24-tooth blade, but users will likely find upgrading to a better blade well worth it. Pros: magnesium components to keep it light. Powerful 15 amp motor produces 5,800 RPMs. Built-in LEDs and dust blower. Cons: despite the magnesium, this model is heavier than some of its competitors. Number 4. Craftsman 7 1/4 inch circular saw. Not everyone needs all of the features of a top-of-the-line cordless saw or the heavy-duty capability of a timber framing model. For DIY projects that include an occasional small framing job or breaking down plywood sheets, and when saving money is a priority, the affordable Craftsman 7 1/4 inch circular saw might be the right choice. This 15 amp model runs at 5,500 RPMs and features a magnesium shoe for reduced weight. The shoe bevels up to 55 degrees, allowing users to customize the angle of their cuts. Also, this model features a built-in rafter hook that DIYers can use to hang it from a beam, ladder, or another ledge. Keep in mind that a lot of this saw is plastic, so it might not be so durable should it slip from that beam, ladder, or ledge. Pros: affordable price point. Built-in rafter hook. Impressive speed and power. Cons: contains a lot of plastic. Number 5. BLACKDECKER 20V Cordless Circular Saw. Heavy saws can be intimidating and difficult for some DIYers to maneuver. This cordless circular saw from BLACKDECKER does away with those fears, weighing just 7.5 pounds, and that includes the rechargeable battery. This compact BLACKDECKER cordless circular saw is a basic yet capable model. The motor has a top speed of 3,700 RPMs, making it powerful enough for most projects. The base bevels up to 50 degrees and adjusts the height of the blade for cuts up to 2 inches deep. This saw also features a built-in safety in the handle to prevent accidental activations. The main complaint is that the battery that comes with this saw is only 1.5 Ah, meaning it won't last as long as most DIYers would like. Pros: lightweight at under 8 pounds. Safety switch in the handle to prevent accidents. Compact design. Cons: the 1.5 Ah battery won't last long. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment on this video. Don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get new update videos. Also check the description box to check the product's link.